Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will explain about how to hide online status and read notification on WhatsApp. First we go to WhatsApp application. Then go to setting at the top left for Android or bottom right for iPhone. Go to privacy. And then go to last seen and online. Who can see my last seen? The options are you can set to everyone can see, and then my contact, for selected people on your contact, and nobody. So we choose nobody. Then go to who can see when I'm online, choose same as last seen. Now nobody can see our last seen and when we are online in WhatsApp. Now we can go back and go to read receipts. We can turn off the read receipts. It means other people will not able to see the simple double blue tick when you read the message. It will remain single gray tick, but for group chats we cannot deactivate the read receipts. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.